Here we are with another adventure. That log cabin siding, which is made out of 2 bags and ground down, we put it up and we're going to stain it with a Cabot stain called Australian Timber Oil. Honey teak is the color. So it changes this to that. That's our adventure today. See what we can get done. We're using brushes. We're not spraying it. There's a wind blowing, and I'd rather get it all on there and make it look right. So this will turn in to this. It's a pretty good choice on her part, I think. And Cabot is a pretty high quality stain. So this is our adventure, and away we go. This is how I get up the company ladder. We have been at it all day. This is the second day. Getting all the little spots. That reminds me of grade school. Look at spot run. Run, spot, run. That's why I'm chasing running spots. Anyway, I'll have Clay take you a tour on what it looks like now. And you can compare with what it looked like before. And maybe we'll put a picture up for you to remind you that this Australian oil, honey teak flavor, what it does.
Yeah. Have you tasted it?
I haven't, not purposely.
Okay.
I have tasted it, but I didn't like it.
It wasn't honey teak?
It tasted like I was eating teak for sure. I don't know if the honey was on there thick enough.
Ta-da.
Now you get to see what is possible with a mind that came up with this as a very, very imaginative and very, very capable of understanding what looks good. And I'm just the instrument to get it done. That's all. This is her good taste and her dreams and me helping. I wish you guys well in all your dreams. Catch you later.